You've been told the internet is fast. That's not true. The internet is actually slow, fragile, and constantly breaking. So, how does everything still load in a second? Because nothing on the internet is direct. Your data doesn't go straight to a website. It travels through routers, networks, and physical cables. And it is limited by physics. Your data travels as light, and even light takes time to cross the world. Then there is congestion. Millions of people are online at the same time, streaming, gaming, and scrolling, all competing for the same network. Sometimes data gets delayed, sometimes it gets lost, sometimes it has to be sent again. And every time you open a website, your device has to find the server, connect to it, secure the connection, request data, and wait for a response. All of this takes time. Milliseconds, but still time. So no, the internet is not truly fast. It is just incredibly optimized. Now let's see how it actually works. The moment you press enter, your request is broken into tiny pieces called packets. Each packet carries a piece of your data, your identity, and its destination. Each packet also has a sequence number, like page numbers in a book. Because packets do not arrive in order, some take faster routes and some take slower ones. So when they reach your device, your browser rearranges them perfectly. Piece by piece, it rebuilds the original data. Packets do not travel together, they scatter, and each one takes a different route. This is called packet switching. Instead of one big failure, only missing packets are resent. That is how the system stays reliable. Now, your data enters something massive, not one network, but millions connected together. This is the internet, a network of networks. Along the way, your packets pass through routers. These routers check traffic, congestion, and broken paths and decide where your data goes next. There is no central control, yet everything works together. If something goes wrong, they reroute instantly in milliseconds. The shortest path is not always the fastest, so your data may travel across countries to avoid delays. Some packets travel under oceans through fiber optic cables. Inside them, your data becomes light. Eventually, your request reaches a server inside a data center with thousands of machines working together. Before anything comes back, your connection is secured. Your browser verifies the website and creates a secret key. Your data is encrypted and turned into unreadable code. Even if someone intercepts it, they cannot understand it. Only your browser and the website can. That small lock icon means your connection is protected. Now the response begins. Data is sent back packet by packet. Your browser starts building the page in real time. That is why it feels instant. There is one more system, called CDNs, which are servers placed around the world. Instead of connecting far away, you connect to the nearest one. That is why videos load so fast. So in less than a second, packet switching, routing, fiber optics, encryption, and CDNs all work together across the entire planet. The internet was not designed to be fast. It was designed to survive failure. Speed is just a side effect. Now, when you open a website, you do not just see it. You understand it. See you in the next one.